To make a call, simply dial the 11-digit number and then hit the check mark. To hang up a call, simply hang up the handset or press the X. Voicemail. If you have a new voicemail, there'll be an indication light flashing. You'll also have a notification message going across the screen or on the screen. To listen to your voicemails, simply access by pressing the retrieve button on this phone. Other phones may have a picture of an envelope or it may say messages, but you'll want to identify what the voicemail key is and press that button. Otherwise, if you have 3-digit numbers, you can access it by pressing 999. If your extensions are 4-digit numbers, it would be 9999 and so on. So any nines that will match up with your extension digits as far as the length of them and how many digits there are. But in the case of this video, we have a button here. So we'll press the retrieve button to access and listen to our voicemails. You'll simply just want to follow the prompts to listen, save, record, and delete. If you have any saved messages, you'll be able to access and listen to them there as well. If you need to make any changes, such as your password to your voicemail, change your greeting, then you'll also want to press your message button, your voicemail button, and then follow along the prompts and select the option that best suits your needs. A popular one is change your voicemail greeting, which is option 8. There's also an option 5 that says to change your self-identification message. That sometimes gets mixed up with your personal greeting. Just understand that that is not the same. You'll want to select option 8. Option 5 is for you to simply just record your name, and that activates the dial by name directory. So just understand that the option 5 to record your name is only to activate the dial by name directory. Let's just listen.
You have no
You can
messages.
see it says 999 there.
To play messages, press star. To change your profile status, press 1. To dial a number, press 3. To delete all read messages, press 4. To change your self-identification message, press 5.
That's for dial by name directory.
To play mailbox information, press 6. To change voicemail PIN number, press 7.
That's your
To
password.
change your greeting message, press 8. To repeat this prompt, press 9.
So as you can see, option 8, which is the last one, is the one to record your greeting.